This was all caused by ice jams that built up in the rivers in many areas, and it really goes back to the impressive cold we had at the beginning of the month, the record-breaking cold. As a result of that, the ice grew thick and dense on many of the rivers. Then we had a big warm-up. It all started to break apart. Add the rain into the mix, and it started to flow down the river. And basically what happens is these pieces of ice get caught in bends of the rivers near bridges and near their tributaries, and when that happens there can be a jam and the ice just stops flowing, and that's what happened on many rivers, with the worst flooding being along the Kennebec. Here's a view of all those chunks of ice in Augusta today. Another view of one of the cars that was trapped, and this is usually a parking lot up against the Kennebec River in Hollowell, and you can see all the chunks of ice along with this one. Another view, this is from the Androscoggin River in Dixfield this morning. Not only did the river flood over onto the road here, but it started to freeze up with the very cold air that moved in after the storm. So this is not only due to the heavy rain, but it also has to do with the temperature ups and downs that we've dealt with here through the course of the month. There still is a flood warning for the Kennebec River, where we do expect improvement. It's starting to fall, and it should fall below flood stage by tomorrow morning. In the week ahead, a lot of weather to talk about, some snow for the middle of the week, and then another warm-up. We'll talk about that and a whole lot more coming up, Dustin.